Hey, how's it going? So you don't really need a bounce function, debounce function for this. Okay, so we type whatever, marg, right? 1000 or marga. Okay, let's try Bob. You see? Now I did this without the bounce function, right? The way to do that is you can actually clear timeout on exit. All right, so what happens is we fire the function, right? After whatever seconds, um, it um, it executes, okay, and then we clear the timeout straight away, right? And this has exactly the same effect as debounce, right? Because I don't know, this debounce thing is very, very confusing. I don't know. I was trying to work with it. I did not enjoy it, honestly. This is like so much more simple. So we want Margarita. So you see there is a bit of a delay and it still works. Okay. So the code for this, I'm going to link it, is basically this, right? So we have set timeout, right? You have your delay, which I'm getting from here. You can put it like whatever. I'll just put it manually so you can see it. And then we're running a sync function that makes a call to the API. And then on exit, right, we are clearing the timeout. And that's it. And that's how it works. Okay. And this will give you this effect. Take care.